Hello and welcome to a little tiny tutorial, and this one's on Google Reader. Google Reader over the years has become a pretty invaluable tool for myself. For one, it's a way to get all the news and information from all the sites that you'd like to visit all in one place. So instead of having to visit the site, you can get snippets of information from that site by using Google Reader. And it's quite a simple premise. Google Reader uses a World Wide Web standard RSS format, an XML format, and basically just about every website that's worth its salt these days has a sitemap or a Google Reader XML and RSS feed on its site. Okay, so there are other readers out there, but I find that Google Reader is probably one of the better ones. It's quite simple and it's easy to use. And how you use Google Reader is quite simple. You have a subscribe button here. You just go to google.com/reader, by the way, and if you're logged into your Google account, it'll automatically open to your Google Reader. So what you do is basically, you can see down the left-hand side here, I've got my subscriptions and I've got them in little folders. Okay, so I can put them all into little groups. Okay, here you see I've got official Google blog. Okay, now I haven't assigned that to a folder, but if I wanted to assign it to a folder, all I do is click on the little arrow to the right and put that under, I will put that under Tech News. Click on that and then it's gone, and now it's listed under my Tech News. Okay, so now how do you go about putting a website on there? Well, you can do a number of things. You can either click on subscribe and just type in the URL and it will automatically find it if it's already got a feed. Or you can go directly to a website, like here I'm at Smashing Magazine, one of my favourite websites. Okay, and you can click on this icon. You'll see this icon across many websites, news and media websites. Some of them have one for the whole website, but some of them have a reader just for a certain section. So you might be on a news website, but you only want to get celebrity news or political news or technology news, and usually these sites, the bigger sites, have their feeds broken up into different sections. Sometimes you'll see, if you click on it, something like this, which is pretty poorly done by Smashing Magazine, but nonetheless, click on that and you'll just get a bunch of code. But you'll see as you look at the URL, it's got the feed URL there, so you just click on that and copy it. And then what you do is you go back into your reader and click on subscribe, paste that in there, click add, and there you go. You'll see that the latest article is the latest article that was on the website, and then if you scroll down, it will go through all the different other articles that have been listed on the site as well. Quite simple. Okay, so that's one way you can do it, and then you'll notice now that as I scroll down my left-hand side, I've got a reader here. So I want to put that under a category. If I want to create a new category, I just click on New Folder and put it under that folder. But I'm going to put this one under Tech News again. So now I've got 3 sites that I'm subscribed to under Tech News. And if I click on Tech News, it gives me a list of feeds from all the different websites that I'm subscribed to. Okay? Quite simple. So now we go a little bit deeper and we go to a website like CNN, and these big organisational websites have their feeds broken up. So sometimes you would have to do a little bit of a search for the feeds, but here you can see down here it's got RSS. If I click on RSS on CNN, you'll see that its feed is broken up. See how it's got a feed? So basically, you can say, I want technology, copy link address, go into your Google Reader, click on subscribe, add that link address, and all of a sudden now I'm subscribed to the CNN technology thing, technology site, and then I just put in there the category I want, and I'm going to put that under Tech News again, and now I'm subscribed to 4 websites. And if you click on all items, you'll get a list of all the different items that you subscribe to. Okay? Quite brilliant, really, and quite easy. So that's a little tiny tutorial on using Google Reader. If you've got any more questions, just ask a comment and I'll respond on the blog. Thank you.